Here is the space bar functioning properly. It sometimes sticks a little bit, but for the most part, it's advancing the carriage. I may need to do some more adjustments on that space bar lever nut underneath. Now, here is the when I strike a key, the ribbon vibrator doesn't seem to move. It just kind of wiggles a little bit. But, you know, it seems like my type bar is actually striking the little finger there. So, but it's very different when you compare the motion of the key strike to the motion of the space bar. Okay, now we're going to look underneath the machine. This is the view underneath the machine. When I hit the space bar, you can see how the universal bar seems to be moving freely. There is a wing nut here that doesn't seem to, you know, I can't tighten it any, and doesn't seem to really, you know, affect the spring here. Let's see here, other places that are of interest. This this universal bar, you know, it seems like it's moving pretty freely. You can see the oval and the shaft attached to the oval. The screws here, they're pretty tight. I'm not sure if I have any other loose parts here. This is the space bar lever nut that I tightened. I've been adjusting it a little bit at a time just to get the kinks out. This comes from the tab key, and it has no connector to it, even though it has a hole. So I'm wondering what should be attached to that. And that's about it. So this is the space bar, and then if I strike a key, you'll notice the lever doesn't really get all the way down to the universal bar. So I'm not sure if there's an adjustment I can make to bring the universal bar up higher so that the key levers will strike them.